Can you tear the sheet down? Brody, help Kara. There you go.
Kara, look. Help Daddy. Pull the sheet.
Pull the sheet.
Whoa!
Oh, check it out. What do you see? Oh my goodness. Are you gonna make dinner? That sounds awesome. Look at that.
Brody, look at this. Watch this.
Wow. Look at that.
Put it back down on her, Kara.
Make some coffee.
Kara, put it right here, look.
That's pretty cool. Brody, do you see the microwave, honey?
Hit the button.
That is cool. You drinking coffee? Good job.
Kara, you want to see what's in the refrigerator? Oh, there's stuff up there too.